Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: motorized curtains. Gone are the days of manually pulling curtains to let in the light or provide privacy. With motorized curtains, you can effortlessly control the ambience of your space with just a touch. In this comprehensive guide, we'll cover all aspects of motorized curtains, from their features and benefits to different types and installations. So, let's dive right in. First, let's look at the incredible features that motorized curtains bring to your home. Remote control convenience. Motorized curtains allow you to control the opening and closing of your curtains with the touch of a button. You can adjust them from anywhere in the room without the need to physically reach the curtains. Schedule and automation. Set timers to open and close your curtains at specific times of the day. This not only adds convenience, but can also enhance security by giving the illusion of an occupied home. Smart home integration. Integrate your motorized curtains into your smart home ecosystem. You can control them using voice commands through platforms like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Light control. Adjust the amount of natural light entering your space without even getting up. This feature is particularly useful for rooms with large windows. Privacy and security. Ensure privacy by easily closing your curtains, preventing outsiders from peering in. It's a fantastic option for bedrooms and living areas. Now, let's take a look at the numerous benefits that come with motorized curtains. Elegance and aesthetics. Motorized curtains exude a sense of luxury and sophistication. Their smooth, automated movement adds a touch of class to any room. Accessibility. For those with mobility challenges, motorized curtains eliminate the need to physically tug on heavy curtains, making them more accessible for everyone. Preservation of fabrics. Motorized curtains can be programmed to open and close gently, reducing wear and tear on delicate fabrics and protecting them from sun damage. Energy efficiency. With precise control over natural light, motorized curtains can help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Noise reduction. Some motorized curtain systems are designed to move quietly, creating a serene and peaceful environment. There are several types of motorized curtains to choose from, catering to different preferences and interior styles. Roller curtains. Sleek and modern, roller curtains offer a minimalist look. They roll up neatly and are ideal for windows with limited space. Pleated curtains. Pleated curtains add a touch of texture to your space. They are versatile and can complement both traditional and contemporary designs. Sheer curtains. For a soft, ethereal look, sheer curtains are a great option. Motorized sheer curtains can transform your room with their elegant movement. Blackout curtains. Perfect for bedrooms. Blackout curtains block out light entirely. Motorized blackout curtains provide ultimate privacy and darkness when needed. Now, let's discuss the installation process and compare motorized curtains with other window treatments. Installation process. Installing motorized curtains is simpler than you might think. Most systems come with easy-to-follow instructions, and you can choose to install them yourself or hire a professional. Comparison with manual curtains. Motorized curtains offer unparalleled convenience when compared to traditional manual curtains. They eliminate the need for cords or chains, enhancing both safety and aesthetics. Comparison with blinds. While blinds provide light control, motorized curtains offer a softer and more elegant look. Curtains can also cover larger windows and provide better privacy. Let's wrap up by highlighting some compelling reasons why you should consider installing motorized curtains in your home. Modern lifestyle. Motorized curtains align perfectly with today's fast-paced modern lifestyle, making your daily routine smoother and more convenient. Enhance aesthetics. Upgrade the look of your home with the touch of luxury that motorized curtains bring. They are a statement piece in any room. Energy savings. Effortlessly manage natural light to regulate indoor temperatures, leading to potential energy savings in the long run. Increase property value. Investing in motorized curtains can increase the value of your home, as they are considered a premium feature. That wraps up our comprehensive guide to motorized curtains. From their impressive features and benefits to the installation process and comparisons, we've covered it all. If you're looking to elevate your home's interior, enhance convenience, and embrace modern living, motorized curtains might be the perfect addition. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home improvement tips. See you in the next video.